What's up guys, so here back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you 6 websites that you can use in 2020 to make $100 or more per day. Let's jump into my computer and get started. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright guys, so getting in with the first website, this is Fiverr.com. Most of you are familiar with Fiverr.com. It's a freelance site, and you have tons of different things that you can get into to make money with. Graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. I just made a video the other day talking about the different businesses that you can start with your phone, and one of the more popular ones is that you can make little 30 to 60 second greeting videos or congratulatory videos or little intros for people's businesses and stuff like that. That's a really popular one. Another one is photo editing. You can remove backgrounds from like people's products for their online stores and stuff like that. That's another popular one. They do have some new ones like moderation for YouTube, for people's stores and things like that. There's tons of things that you can get into that you can make money with quite easily. When you're first starting out, you'll probably want to just start out with like $5 or so just to get people to buy, and then as you get the first few sales or whatever, then you can go ahead and increase the price. And you can make some really good money with Fiverr. It's been around forever. It's always growing. People are always using it. People are always recommending it. You can believe that you will definitely make a good amount of money using Fiverr. Okay, so the next site I have on the list is freelance.com. Oh, I'm sorry, it should be Freelancer. I put in the wrong website. Oops. There we go. It should be freelancer.com. And this is another site like Fiverr, but it's a little bit different. See, with this and the next one I'm going to talk about is people will post the type of jobs that they need and you bid on it. Okay, so if you're good at writing and editing and somebody needs a writer or editor, you can place a bid on it. If they need like a video or audio editor or something like that, they'll post it. All right, so basically if somebody posts a job and you bid on it, and as you can see, people are willing to pay a lot of money for certain things. And again, this is just another way that you can make good, decent money as a freelancer. Whatever skills and talents you have, see if somebody needs that skill or that talent. Upwork is another freelancing site, and it works similarly. You put in there's jobs. You put in a bid, and then y'all negotiate and work something out, and you can go ahead and make money freelancing. It's just like the other two that I spoke about. These are all good ways for you to make money online. Most of you have skills and you have talent. You just have to really focus in on it and share it with the world. And trust me, people are looking for your specific skills and talents. You just have to take action and share that talent with the world. Okay, so the next one is something that I personally use, and that's Skillshare. I teach courses on here. Now, I haven't done it in a while. The last time you can see that I've done it was in June of 2019, but I still make monthly income from Skillshare. Okay. Like I said earlier, if you have a skill or a talent that you can teach, you can go ahead and teach it to others, and you can get paid for it. Now, I jumped into Skillshare when it wasn't that popular, and it was great because it wasn't as competitive. It's relatively competitive now, especially now that they're like pushing it hard, but it doesn't mean that you can't make money with it. You can absolutely make money with Skillshare, and you can make it every single month. Like I said, I haven't made a course since June, and it's still making, people are still watching my courses, and I'm still getting views, and I'm still getting paid for it. And it's January of 2020. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. All you have to do is just take action. Again, if you're not sure what type of skills you have, if there's something that you're interested in, you can look it up on YouTube, learn it, and reteach it. And that's what most people do anyway. They find something that they're interested in, they learn it, and they share back out. And you can do the exact same thing. And I even do one better for you. I'll leave my Skillshare link. I'll leave my Skillshare link down in the description below. Okay, you can sign up for free for 2 months, and you can look at what the other teachers are doing. Okay, this is what most people did when they started out. They got on because it's free. You find something that you're interested in. You see how the other teachers are doing it. You see how they structure their classes. Okay, and then you can reteach the same thing. Now, I wouldn't say to blatantly copy, okay? Do it in your own way. You are unique. You are different from everybody else. Teach the course in your own way. Just kind of see how they structured the course, okay? And use it to get an idea for your own courses, okay? Like I said, learn something, reteach it. That's basically how this works, okay? Now, you have another e-course site, which is Udemy. Now, I don't use this one personally, but from what I heard from other people that use it, it's pretty much like Skillshare, but you can, the difference is you can like set your own price. Something that I mentioned with Skillshare is it's sort of like set up like YouTube. You can get paid, let me go back to it. You can get paid per premium minute. Okay, so Skillshare is a paid site, so you have to pay, not you as a teacher, but people who want to view the courses have to pay. Okay, because they're premium members, every time they watch, every minute that they watch of your course, you get paid for that minute. Okay, you can also, I'll mention it before I click back off. You can also be an affiliate for Skillshare, and whenever you recommend Skillshare and they sign up as a student, then you make a commission for that as well. Okay. Now, going back to Udemy, it's set up similar to Skillshare in that when you create your courses, they actually promote your courses on the site. With this one, you can set your own price. And yeah, basically it works the same way as Skillshare. If you have a skill or talent that you have, you can share it with others and you can get paid for it. Okay? Works pretty much the same way. It's just a second option, maybe with a few different rules or whatever. But again, these are other ways that you can share your skills and your talents with the world and get paid for it. All right, now the last one I have on the list is YouTube, of course. This is free. You don't have to be some expert. All you need is a camera and something to talk about that people want to hear. Okay, whatever skills, whatever talents you have, you can share them on YouTube. If somebody has a particular problem, you can provide the solution. Okay, there's so many ways you can go with YouTube, and you can do things like affiliate marketing, or you could use YouTube itself to make money because they pay you. Okay, I mean, it's just, and I've got these on the screen just so you can check these channels out, so you can get an idea of what type of content you can create to actually make money online with YouTube. Okay, I mean, guys, it's 2020, and there's plenty of opportunities for you to make money online. You just have to take action. Okay, that's the most important thing. You have to get up and take action. All right. So these are 6 sites that I have for you today that you can make $100 or more online with. Again, take action. Do a little bit of research, learn a thing or two, and reshare that out with the world. It's just that simple. All right, that's all I got for today's video. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like and share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.